Hi everyone, it's Gary here from Echidna, and today is quite a sad day for us actually. We have just sold the very last of the Brother NV950 new stock that was in Australia. It's a model that we've been selling exclusively for a number of years now, and it's a sewing and embroidery machine, and many of you watching this video probably own this little beauty, and it's been a remarkable machine for us for the best part of close on 10 years now. Absolutely bulletproof, and has helped a lot of people in this country get into sewing and embroidery. Priced at pretty much around $1,000 or less. It's been hugely popular. So as I said, it is sad to lose this little model. It's no longer being brought into Australia, but there is a golden lining, and that is that we have the replacement model. This is the new NV950. So you can see it looks very similar. The advantage on this one, if we go back to our start screen there, is that it's a color screen, and whereas the NV950 was only a mono screen, you've got on-screen editing here, so you can merge designs, add text, basically edit your designs on the go. Slightly larger needle area here too, so you've got a wider sewing capacity than the NV950. Same bobbin system, bulletproof, same needle threading system, bulletproof, and just an all-around beautiful machine. Now these guys have got a recommended retail price of only $1,299, but of course we always have great deals. So if you're interested in an amazing starting machine with sewing and embroidery capabilities, takes a USB stick for loading easy designs, and just a real pleasure to use, the NV950 might be a good one to have a look at. So just recapping, retirement for the NV950, that's that little guy right there, and this is the new model to replace it. Loads of extra features. So while it's sad, we're still excited to have such a great little machine replacing it. Check it out on the website. It's the NV950, and have a look at the deals we've got going. I'm sure it's the perfect machine for so many people. Cheers.